Hey there and welcome to the shop. In today's video, I'd like to introduce you to Blue Demon's R45 oxy-acetylene gas welding rod. In this video, we will discuss some of the details of this product, some safety concerns and how to deal with them, and a short demonstration of the product. R45 is a general-purpose, copper-coated welding rod used for welding low-carbon steels up to 1/4 of an inch. It is used in the oxy-acetylene gas welding process, OAW. Filler metals are manufactured into different forms and classified into different categories. You can identify the type from the beginning letters. Let's break down this classification. The AWS classification for this product is R45. Some of the most popular AWS classification types begin with E for electrode, ER for electrode or rod, or R for rod. In our case, R45 is a rod. Rod would indicate the filler metal would not carry any welding current and is heated by another source. Adversely, electrode means the filler metal would carry welding current in the process. An example of this would be MIG welding. The first two numbers in the classification, which in our case is 45, is the minimum required tensile strength of the weld metal, given in pounds per square inch. You take the 45 and multiply it by 1,000, thus giving you 45,000 psi of tensile strength. R45 is a great option when ductility and machinability are the most important aspect of your build. R45 does not require the use of a flux. However, a neutral flame should be used when gas welding. R45 is available in sizes 1/16, 3/32, 1/8, and 5/32. R45 is used in a wide array of applications. Some of the most common uses are sheet steel, plate, pipe, castings, structural shapes, and anywhere typical arc welding equipment can't go. Check out Blue Demon's website for more details and instructions on using R45. Let's stop here for just a moment before we begin the demonstration portion. We need to talk about safety. To cover this topic, it would take several videos in order to build a comprehensive safety guide. We don't have time for that today. However, I felt some discussion on safety was needed, so I'll touch on a few topics. Gas welding and brazing bring their own dangers and concerns when compared to arc welding. When gas welding or brazing, you should wear the proper clothing and safety gear. This includes, but is certainly not limited to, safety glasses or goggles, face shield or some combination of those, with a shade 4 or 5 lens minimum. Never substitute safety glasses with sunglasses. A long sleeve shirt, jacket, apron, or some combination. This apparel cannot have open pockets or cuffs as they can trap sparks. Next, work boots, skull cap, and pants. Again, no cuffs for sparks to get trapped in. Now with respect to equipment, never use a butane cigarette lighter to ignite your torch. Always use an approved oxy-fuel striker. Never stand in front of your regulators when you open the valves on your tanks. Always stand off to one side. Never use cylinders that are not properly secured in the upright position. Always check chains and straps to ensure your tanks are fastened securely. Finally, you should periodically check hoses for cracks or leaks, and you should always check connections with soapy water each time you switch tanks out. Remember, protecting your safety and the safety of others around you is your most important job, whether you're an employee or a weekend warrior in your home shop. Now that we've covered the safety portion, I'll set up a few test coupons. I'll be right back after I get my gear on. Welcome back. So I've got my R45 here, and I've got a test coupon that I'm going to run a few beads on to kind of get my hands in sync and make sure my pressures are set correctly on my torch. And then I have 2 more coupons that we are going to weld together, and let's get to it. Okay, so this is our R45 bead. I'm actually extremely happy with this. I don't see any undercut. Everything got filled in real well. My ends, I didn't start right on the end, so they're obviously got a hole right there on both of them, but filled up really nice. Actually got a nice consistent pattern for gas welding. For me, this is a really good bead. I'm really happy with that. I really appreciate you spending your time with me today, and please remember Blue Demon for all your welding needs. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you next time.